NOA is our new open automation platform from KEB. It consists out of two main elements: NOA Core as edge environment and optional the NOA Portal as a cloud platform. NOA Core is an infrastructure on the edge based on Linux and Docker for the management of services and apps in a service-oriented system. With NOA Core, you can easily integrate services or apps in your edge device and build your own automation, monitoring or visualization system. The apps can be KEB apps like our HMI app Helio or our visualization package for monitoring and alerting, but also your own apps or third-party apps, so you are very flexible on the edge side. With the NOA Portal, you can manage your devices centrally, add and deploy additional apps or update the apps on your devices. You can even provide white label tenants to your customers and monitor your data from small systems like machines to complete production systems.